Alright guys, how's it going? So consider this a bonus video for a Sunday afternoon. Nice, chilled, relaxed, very easy stuff to be honest. Now one thing I was doing, I was actually playing around with the modifiers, and now we can easily drag and drop modifiers, which is pretty cool. So it's like an interactive modifier stack now, and there is a few other options, like if you press A, it'll expand, and we can do things like apply, duplicate, move to first. Very simple UI changes, but pretty damn cool. Now one thing I got asked the other day was, how did you get the statistics panel up here on the left hand side? Now I've been using Blender 2.9 for a good few months to be honest, and things are still constantly changing, and this is today's build. So to enable the statistics panel on the left hand side, if you come to the viewport overlays, you can see here statistics, and all you do is enable it. Now another thing we do is we have the status bar down here on the bottom. Let's say I press F3 to bring up the search bar. I can show and disable the status bar very easily. And if I actually right click on it, I can control what I would like to see. So scene statistics, system memory, video memory, even just something as simple as the Blender version. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, support me on Gumroad, you know what to do. Take care.